Welcome to our review of the Letaya metal garage storage cabinet. If you're looking for a robust and spacious storage solution, this might just be the perfect fit for your home, office, or garage. Let's dive into what makes this cabinet a standout choice. First, let's talk about the high-quality metal construction. The Letaya cabinet features a hole-in-one reinforced heavy-gauge steel deluxe welded frame. With a steel thickness of up to 0.8 millimeter, this cabinet is rugged and resistant to deformation. The environmentally friendly powder-coated finish not only looks sleek but also offers moisture, corrosion, and rust resistance, ensuring long-term durability. Inside, the cabinet measures 72 inches tall, 36 inches wide, and 18 inches deep. It comes with 5 adjustable shelves, providing 6 levels of storage. Each shelf can support up to 180 libus, making it ideal for heavy tools, office supplies, and large household items. This versatile storage solution is perfect for homes, offices, garages, schools, shops, and warehouses. Security is a key feature of the Letaya cabinet. It boasts an upgraded 3-point lock system with thickened steel rods to keep your valuables safe. The anti-collision reinforcements ensure quiet and smooth operation. Adjustable feet maintain balance on uneven surfaces, and pre-holes on the back allow for easy wall mounting, adding an extra layer of stability. The packaging is designed to protect your investment. Foam and reinforced metal corners safeguard the edges during shipping. And if you encounter any issues, Letaya's customer service is ready to assist. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to the included paper and video instructions. Get organized with the Letaya metal garage storage cabinet and enjoy a clutter-free space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Letaya, organizing your world, one cabinet at a time.